Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti Lamaniya, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that glowing skin and how to keep your skin hydrated. Guys, it's not a secret. Everybody knows that drink water properly. Try to drink 6 to 7 glass every day. It will clean your body from inside, it will detox your body. So I drink 6 to 7 glass water every day, and I start my day with drinking warm water in the morning. So yeah, that is not a secret. So follow this. It's very important to keep your body hydrated. So this entire process involves this face steamer, and you can get this steamer from Amazon. And if you don't have any face steamer, you can just boil the water in a pot. You can use it as a steamer. So I'm kind of let this steam go on my bare face for like a minute or so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start my first step, which is oil cleansing, and I love oil cleansing. And I'm going to mix these three oil: baby oil, olive and coconut oil. This method is very effective for acne prone skin. It will help you to clear all your acne and acne scars. If you guys don't know how to do oil cleansing, just see my description box. I have put the link below. So I'm just going to massage my face for like 2 to 3 minutes in circular motion. Next I'm gonna go ahead and use this foam based oil cleanser to remove all the leftover oil. I'm currently using Neutrogena foam cleanser, and it is a very mild cleanser. It will not dry out your skin. For scrub, I'm using everyouth walnut scrub, and it is such a great scrub. It is not very harsh on your skin. It is very mild. And this process will help you to clear your acne scars, promote clear complexion, improves your skin texture. So this is a very important step. So I'm gonna go and scrub for like 2 minutes and then gonna wash my face. Next I'm just going to tap and do pinching motion to help get better blood circulation. Next I'm going to use this ayur cleansing milk for massage. So this step is very important step and key step for glowing and radiant skin. And this step is the secret of glowing skin. So I follow this skincare routine once a week, but I do massage my face daily for like 2 to 3 minutes. You guys can use any facial oil or massage cream to massage your face. Facial massage has many benefits. It will help you to look younger. It will help your skin to glow. It is a natural facelift, and it will help you to get good blood circulation. More blood flow to the area increases collagen production, which gives a healthy and natural glow to the complexion. Next I'm using Patanjali Multani Mitti face pack to tighten my skin. I'm just gonna let it dry for 10 minutes, and I'm just going to wash my face. Then I'm gonna go ahead and gently tap all over my face for better blood circulation. Next I'm gonna go and apply this Dr. Belmeur toner all over my face. Toner helps to balance the pH of your skin and helps to reduce the pores. Next I'm going to apply the sheet mask from the brand Face Shop, and I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Sheet masks are very good for your skin. I use 2 sheet masks in a week, and it helps to keep skin soft and supple. It also encourages collagen and elastin production. It helps to prevent wrinkle. Also, it keeps your skin moisturized for a very long time. After that, gently tap on your face so that your skin will absorb the leftover serum. After that, I'm going to use olive oil as my moisturizer. You can use any nighttime cream or any moisturizer which suits your skin. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to comment and let me know that what you guys think about this routine, and I would like you guys to try it at home and see that how it make difference to your skin. Also, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video with more such beautiful videos. Till then, take care. Bye.